everyone. My name is Tatsi Sarah, son of the stepsister of Blake and great Queen. I'd like to share a few memories of my uncle and my older brother I grew up to. In the late 70s, we moved over to Samoa, New Zealand. We lived there for about a year or so. Growing up in the province of Samoa. As a kid, life was simple, full of adventure. So for me, it was easy to get up to the good. I was a Christian. I attended Waihi Primary School. Sikwini was in our Valley Boys College. I would often let them know that I'll be coming to our valley next year to join a volleyball team. You were just looking at this great fiber. At the time, I'm not sure, but the way I saw Sikwini as a kid, he would be head student of our Valley Boys, captain of the volleyball team. I mean, he had an arm like a cannonball. He could leap with his height, he was so tall, struck that ball with that making sound and hit the ground. I mean, that was enough for me to assume he was team captain. Whenever I tried to tag along with him in his volleyball matches, I would try and poke at with his voice and beat it up. Because I know he would tell me to stand back. He would realise I came along and he would give me a earful. But he was right, because I'll get tired and hungry as a kid with all the thing. One of my memories was when I climbed a little tree by the sea in Already, opposite the house was a group of rich boys with our hooker, and they wouldn't let me go because Mom had needed a bump in the improvement. So I decided to climb the little tree as high as I can so I could see the boys set off into the ocean. I took one more step, the branch broke, snapped, and I fell down to the ground and broke my arm. I found myself down and proved how it was. Next thing he thought about me was Sikwini shaking his head and leaving me well down to his head. He picked me up, threw me over his shoulder, and I think the whole village of the week hated that. Later we moved back to New Zealand, right here in Wairoa. You can see this growing. In years to come, Sikwini and his wife, Esther, will come to stay with us. I introduced them to the Samoa volleyball games they had after school. Uncle was at no time making an impression. I remember his first game there. He spots the ball hard, hit the ground hard, and passed his back to the opposition's place. Almost broke into us. But that was strong.
Mancho foi a mama la fia, tai tene di la mafia, quindi uso, che cosa che di poi, ora c'è pure resa ai che ci dà o fare, a voi detto e va a si sinapia, ma poi la vetas, detto e poi per fare più quanto si sinapia, poi la vetas, poi la che si mama, dai che te sta prima, so